I don't really have to say anything here, do I? Got water vapor clouds, showers possible later. You can see the fierce geoengineering going on here. Spraying above. These are not high. These clouds are low. Very low. I still got more to go yet. And see how low these are. These aren't even above me, they're out a little ways. Look at that. Look at, you can see where it turns it off, see? Back on. You got these wisps, this stuff. Excuse me. So, little open area, and that's what you got, the geoengineering. Or whatever it is. Wish people would wake up, but it ain't gonna happen. I'll bet you if you look, if these clouds all on, it's all above these shores. This is just a little area where it's open, where you can see. I can hear the planes up there. I can actually hear them. All right.